Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. So I bought this doll. Little thank you note right there. Because she was a good deal, and I like a good deal, and I like to work ahead, stay ahead. Boy, that's a lot of packaging.
It's a big box.
It is a big box for this doll, but I appreciate it. I do. I've had some come all folded over, which I guess is okay, but
We've had them come just like that in a plastic
oh yeah,
bag.
a lot of them come just like that. And amazingly, they've been fine. This is one of the historic dolls, and if you watch my channel, and if you don't, you should have a look. I'm watching hair here. Okay, she's still wrapped in something else, and I think I'm at the feet. I'm just trying to be careful. Starts and Stitches, Karen, who is a lovely seamstress, and I just did a closet full of historic clothing for Josefina. And Karen and I are going to do other closets full, and Karen said, I'd like to do Felicity. And I started looking for Felicity because I had not only a good time, Karen is so much fun. You know what? She is loose, but she is not horrid. Look at those beautiful green eyes. Oh my, my. This is obviously, oh, look at their hairs. Very nice. Wow. Wow, I got my money's worth. These dolls, a lot of them go for over $100. And I am cheap. So I got this girl. And let's take a look here. No, this is like hand mommy sewn is what they call that. I call them handcrafted. It sounds better than homemade. Somebody spent a lot of time on that. That's really well made. They spent a lot of time on that little dress. She is gorgeous. No staining, no, let's see. I think I got a Pleasant Company. Yes, I did. She is a Pleasant Company doll, and she is a very nice, I got lucky again, didn't I? Mm-hmm. I'm trying to remember what I paid for her. It was probably around $50, wasn't it?
I couldn't remember.
I can't either. 53 rings a bell. And I mean with shipping and everything. If they say make offer, I do. And a lot of times they'll come back with a counter offer, and their counter offer has an offer. And I just did that on one and got a really good deal. I counter offer. I take the chance. Boy, she is.
But to be fair, you've also missed out on some.
I have
you
missed
made
out.
offers and then they sold to somebody
Yep.
else. So.
Yep, that's very true. Boy, she is really cute. I am pleased. I want to show you a couple other things because stuff is piling up around here. I got this for $1 at Dollar General. If you go on a Saturday, if you have their app, to Dollar General, and their toilet paper is cheaper too. They have a $1 aisle, and they have all kinds of stuff, including dog treats. Our dogs love those peanut butter treats. And on a Saturday, they take $5 off, $25?
Correct.
That is 20% off. It's like getting $5 free, really. I mean, it is. Really good deal. And I found this girl at Dollar Tree for $1.50. The girl has a stand-up paddleboard. You knew I wasn't going to leave a doll on a stand-up paddleboard. Let's get her out.
And it looks like she's got a camera and a
Real quick. Yeah,
cup
she's
and
got some other stuff I don't care about. I think her little bare feet
yeah, it looks like
must go in there. Let's see if her little shoes come off. Yeah, they do. Okay. This is cute. She's like a little Polly Pocket kind of, but all I care about is a stand-up paddleboard. I thought that was so cute. Darren has made me a stand-up paddleboard for my Blythe doll that we've actually used out on our pond. We have a pond in the back. And let's see if she can, do her arms move? Nah, they kind of do. Her little swimsuit's pushing them back down. Let's see. Let's give her this. And what would you rate this, Darren? What would you rate this?
For a small doll this small, it's really a nice
Cute little set.
Yeah, cute setup.
Cute, cute, cute. Now, can she stand on it? Here we go. That could be user error. Wait a minute. Let me push her in a little more. The girl is on a stand-up paddleboard. You know I'm going to like that. Let's see. Her little head goes back and forth. And when you're stand-up paddleboarding, you're paying attention all around. How cute is that? Oh, I really like it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Have you gotten any new dolls lately? Leave it in my comments. If you'd please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. She's on a stand-up paddleboard. How cute is that?
There's some fun stuff in there. I'd give it a solid 7.5.
There you go. For $1.50, yeah.